You're selling on Amazon, everything's set up, money's coming in, and then boom, you're hit with the cease and desist letter. What do you do next? Now, first and foremost, I want you to understand what the cease and desist letter is, right? This is basically a letter where the seller or whoever owns the intellectual property is telling you to basically remove yourself from a listing or stop selling a product for whatever reason. Now, if you have your own listing, you're not selling underneath someone's listing, you're not sharing the buy box, and you have your own listing and you get a cease and desist letter, if you've done your research, you've crossed your T's, you've dotted your I's, your product that you're selling is not patent pending, it's not patented, there's no intellectual property of someone else's, then it's just a competitor trying to maliciously scare you into stop selling so they can gain market share. Now, if you're doing this the wrong way because you watched YouTube and you're doing this your own way, and you go on to someone's listing and you're sharing the buy box, they can send you a cease and desist letter because they don't want you selling under their account or under their listing. You can do that. Now, if the product is patented, right, or you're advertising as a product that's trademarked, copyrighted, or licensed, and you're not legitimate or you don't own any intellectual property, you don't have any licensing agreement or anything like that, you can also get a cease and desist letter. A few examples. If you're patent pending on a product, I come and sell the exact same product, you can send me a cease and desist letter to stop selling that product because I own the intellectual property. That is legit. Now, if you go and start selling Mickey Mouse merchandise and you don't have a licensing agreement or you don't have any type of agreement with Disney, now they can send you a cease and desist and basically say, stop selling this product, take all of this stuff down, destroy it all, or we will sue you or whatever else may happen, right? Depending on the level of what you are doing, right? So you want to understand the three different scenarios. You want to understand when it's legit, when it's not legit, and you want to thoroughly understand exactly what you're doing because I've heard it far too many times. Hey, I got a cease and desist. Hey, I'm being sued. Hey, my account got shut down. I don't know why. I was just following this guy on YouTube. If you don't genuinely know how to search for intellectual property, how to check for patents, how to check for licensing, and how to differentiate what products you should and should not sell, you should not get started because you're gonna end up losing money and potentially losing your account. For more content and videos like this, make sure that you turn all of the notifications on my Instagram account. That way you're notified of every video, post, and live Q&A that I do. Also, check out more videos on my YouTube channel at Joshua Crisp on YouTube. There's over 100 plus videos similar to this in all around entrepreneurship. And for 50% off all services as well as softwares that AMZ Hunter offers, make sure you check out www.amzhunter.com and use promo code HUNTER50.